Anycast IPv6 addresses. This topic explains how Anycast addressing delivers data to the nearest device in a group sharing the same address. Think of it like calling a taxi company and having the closest available car arrive. Anycast is assigned to multiple devices, but routing protocols ensure packets take the shortest path to the nearest one. It's commonly used for load balancing, DNS resolution, and distributed services. For example, several DNS servers worldwide may share one Anycast address, with users routed to the closest. This approach reduces latency and improves reliability by avoiding long-distance paths. Unlike Multicast, which reaches many devices at once, Anycast communicates with only one, but the nearest. It's efficient for globally distributed services where speed and redundancy matter. Anycast plays a key role in IPv6's design for fast, resilient, and scalable network services.